So in our last video, we started learning about the HTML title element. So in this video, we're going to continue with the how to learn how to impute the Favicon icon. So if you want to impute the Favicon icon, you can use the link element. So the link element basically can be used to link your CSS or the page icon. So we're going to start learning how to use the page icon, how to impute the page icon. So I've copied all the images that we'll be using for the purpose of this class. So we'll be open the link where you can have access to this image in the video description below. So now to impute the page icon. So we already have the images here. So we'll be using this particular image, this favicon.png as our icon. So let's go back to our code. So after the title element, so let's go back. So the link element is referred to as an empty element. We've already discussed about empty HTML element. We said there are some elements that are called empty element because they don't require the closing tag. So the link element doesn't require the closing tag. Okay, so we have learned about HTML attributes. We said that HTML attribute add more additional information to an HTML element. So we'll be using 3 attributes for this particular link. So the first attribute I'll be using is the relationship, REL. So relationship is going to be icon. So the relationship can either be icon or slash it, depending if it is a CSS file you're trying to link to. And the next attribute we're using is a type. So it's going to be, the type is going to be image, then slash x hyphen icon. Then the last attribute we'll be using is the href. The href specify the link where the particular file can be located. In this case, where the particular image can be located. So in this case, the file is located inside the folder images. So the file is inside the folder images here. So images, and this name of the file that we'll be using. So if you happen to know about CMD, how to write with a command line, for instance. So if you want to access this particular image inside the folder images of this file index.html, so we can have a dot then slash. So we can go access to the image folder, then to the favicon. So you can save it. So let's go back to our file explorer to try to open it. So this is basically the file. So for instance, by default, my Google Chrome is my default browser to view HTML file. For instance, let's say you want to put it in a different browser, so you can right click on it, then you click on open with, then you select the browser that you want to open it. If you want to open it with Firefox, if you want to open it with Google Chrome, if you want to open it with Microsoft Edge. So let's try with Edge now. So voila, you see we have our page icon. Basically, this is how you are going to impute your page icon. We have learned how to use the title. So in our next video, we are going to learn about the HTML meta tag.